Today, let's talk about concentricity testing for hollow drill bits. First, we tested an extended electric drill bit, 78115 mm with an effective punching depth of 80 mm, using a runout tester with 2 dial indicators. The measured runout was 0.02 mm. Next, we checked a thinner electric drill bit for 5085 mm, with an effective punching depth of 50 mm and a 4 mm hole diameter. The runout measured 0.02 mm as well. Finally, a manual drill bit 330-52 mm was tested, and the concentricity still reached 0.02 mm. All these measurements were taken from random samples in the warehouse. In the next session, we will introduce the use of the manual sharpening tool.